are we on?
I think so. We're on.
Hey, you're not Mr. Right.
Hopefully not.
So we have a guest this week. We have Coach Velasco with us, and we're going to check out what's going on at the stadium. So what kind of work happened this week, Coach? Because you're out here a lot.
I'm out here a lot, actually, and it's actually pretty cool to kind of see what's taking shape and everything. And it's looking great. We got bleachers are pretty much almost done. If you guys can see behind us, I mean, in the women's bathrooms already got tile and everything.
Yeah, so we'll check that out.
Yeah.
And we can see color. So we have some changes as far as the color on the building. So we'll give you a look at everything that's gone on this week. And so you'll get to see where the big cement pour will be going on outside the entry. And we'll take a look at the bleachers, and this is pretty
cool.
amazing.
It's cool. It's gonna look awesome.
Yeah, so it's really coming together. It's like kind of like finishing touches time.
Yep.
So
It's kind of what takes long.
that's right. So we still have 4 weeks till graduation, but I think it's gonna be done.
I think it is.
So let's take a look at everything.
We're back,
and the bleachers are almost done. They're just finishing up the ramps, and this part of it is like looking amazing.
pretty good. Way different.
Hopefully all of our visitors are going to appreciate the nice bleachers that we have now, so that's exciting.
It is. No more cracks, no more holes on some of our things.
And one big solid bleacher section rather than two separate ones, and it's just fantastic. So thank you for coming out.
I'm always,
Velasco.
Substitute, what do you call it? The substitute SuperFan, I guess.
So yeah, hopefully, you know, we won't have to have a sub again, but I'm glad it was you. And
Thank you.
you know, we'll check out what's happening and what gets completed in the next week. So we'll see you again in about a week.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
Hopefully it's not too windy. I don't know. We'll see how the audio is on this. Have a great week, everybody.
Adios.